Hi all, answer key of physics question. First one it is option A, second one it is option B, third one it is option third one it is option B, fourth one it is option D, fifth one it is option D, sixth one it is option D, seventh one option B, seventh one it is option D, eighth one it is option B, ninth one it is option B, 10th one it is option C, 11th one it is option B, 12th it is C, then 13 B, 14 A, 15 A, 16 D, 17 C, 18 B, 19 it is option A and 20 it is option A. Thank you.